Together we will make change.
Together we will educate our community.
Together we will protect.
Together we will respect.
We will move forward together. The voice of the Abbey.
I live in a small town called Kilwinning, where once were trees, houses and shops around.
My cloister heart once bloomed with flowers.
Colours bright, magnificent rays.
Gone, the grass and weeds stay.
Candlelight burned bright,
And monks' faint footsteps filled the night.
now squeals of children and squawks of birds unite.
I used to smell beeswax candles, but no more.
Just flames, rubbish and leftover food scattered on my floor.
I once stood proud and tall, overlooking trees.
Now my walls crumble to the ground, moss and cracks intertwine across.
Sore from scratches of uncaring people.
My pain unbearably worse.
Rap time, folks, get ready! Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats.
Oh yeah!
Save Kilwinning Abbey!
Oh yeah!
Look after the Abbey.
Uh-huh!
Don't hurt Kilwinning Abbey.
Why would?
You hurt the Abbey.
Remember?
It was once the monk told.
And now?
Save the seagull with that. Mark, oh wait, don't let her.